Hello guys, mga unta guys. Yeah, let's see how many minutes you finish this one. So pinsay makarilit ani guys. Wala ko'y suka. So basta taga island ka na ginamos. Tunod ginamos. Basta naging kinamot mo guys. Pag kinamot ka, tunod ang ginamos. So you look na ulit. Ginamos niya pork ribs. Oh, you know. Too hot. Dried fish from the island. A special dried fish sa island. Danggit. Tunlod sa una sa ginamos. Rice, unlimited rice na kaya. So, when you have dried fish and ginamos, guys, you can have unlimited rice because they're so good. Wala lang ko'y suka, guys. Fried ribs, dip sa salted fish sauce. So yummy. Dried fish danggit. So good. Danggit yan. No food for you. It's all mine. Salted fish, yum. Ano yung pagkaong mga pobre guys. Okay. Yummy.